这么多天的铺陈了之后呢，我们终于来到这一趟拉斯维加斯之旅的最高潮，就是 Mint 400的正赛开始啦。他们在比赛开始前呢，他们都会安排让所有观众都可以很自由地走在这些赛道起跑点上，然后跟各个车辆合照，跟你喜欢的车手。对，这个应该是这一次最吸睛的吧？他车上有 Trump 2024的图案，现场真的有超多爸妈带着小朋友来跟他们的偶像车手合照。那400的意思是他们整个赛道啊，总共全长有大概100英里，那换算下来大概是161公里。那他们要跑4圈。今天的正赛会大概在10点45开始，但一路要到5点半左右，冠军才可能会出炉。然后呢，有趣的是他们每一台车，几乎每台车上都会放那些转播设备，就跟 F1 一样，你会有一个 POV 的视角。
Hello, Jim.
Yay! Any strategy?
I'm gonna go do the first 2 laps, and then my good buddy Jordan Dean's gonna hop in. He's gonna do the next 2 on the second lap. So halfway through the race, we'll do fuel and tires, and then just get to the finish from there.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Good luck for you
Sweet.
today.
Thank you.
你有没有看到？这是我们昨天近距离接触的这个 Justin Smith 的赛车。对，那他说他的车大概是这台应该也是2WD 的啦，那大概400匹马力。我们其实可以看到，虽然他们都是 Trophy Truck 最高等级的规格。但是每个赛车的规格啊，不管传动形式还是引擎摆放方式，还是有一点点不一样。Do you have any plans for today? Any strategy you want to share with us?
Yeah, we qualified 3rd yesterday. Good spot. We wanted to be in the top 5. Keep a good truck for us today under us. So the fight's today, the real fight, and we'll see what we can do. It's going to be a long 400 miles, so 4 laps. So we'll just keep pushing and see what we can do. Kind of work our way through some of these buggies and trophy trucks, and see how close we can get up to the overall and battle with these guys, and I'm sure some of the guys behind us, so it'll be good.
So, it'll be good. Okay, good luck for you today.
Thank you.
你看我们现在看到这个，不知道该不该说是战损版。我觉得赛车就是好玩，可以看到 Trophy Sharks 的比赛有多激烈，这些东西都是可能撞断的，你就知道这个沙漠版 F1 它的竞争到底有多激烈。那 BF Guru 虽然是这次的 Mint 400的主要赞助商，连续8年吧。不过呢，这其实不是一场统规赛哦，它不是只能用 BF Guru 轮胎。然后你可以看到现场其实还有一些车是用其他的，可能日本品牌啊，其他的品牌。BF Guru 人跟我们讲说，他们是冠名赞助商，但是他不是给所有的车队都有 sponsor， 他们只对少数顶尖的一个比较排名比较前面的车队有 sponsor。大部分人都知道他们的性能表现啊，不管是耐用度还是抓地力的。耐久度的表现都比其他品牌好，那我们就看最终颁奖台上会有多少个 GF Guru 轮胎的车队吧。好的，我们再来到我们同团的网红，他是印尼的网红，但他同时也是一个拉力赛赛车手。那他平常有在跑 Asia Cross Rally 亚洲跨国拉力赛，然后去年有被我们的车神恒煌有救援到。对啊，我们来问一下他们对这次 Mint 400赛事的看法。
The Mint 400 is a really great off-road racing. This is my first time come to Las Vegas to see directly the race. Mostly in Indonesia, we do a rally or off-road racing in the jungle, so we get plenty of mud. Most of the terrain is a soil dirt, so we don't have any desert like this in Indonesia. So the track will be the most different thing compared to Indonesia. The technology that we can see from all of the car, there is a lot of things from the suspension, from the engine that maybe we can apply, we can learn and bring back to my country. And besides that, in here I can see that a lot of people using the BF Goodrich tires. Most of them said that they were having no puncture at all. If I come here, I can see many people that really enjoy the show. It's like their normal lifestyle. Yeah, part of their lifestyle.
Thank you, Julius.
Thank you so much.
那我们今天准备要登上起跑线，那就是我们昨天一直看到一直会喷火的舞台，就是这次的起跑点，也是我们要回绿旗的地方。好，准备哦，拿手。我们，粉哥帮我拍照，帮我。
来看这边。
哎，等一下哦，
你要绕回，
靠没有，不要绕回。
So you're gonna keep it down a little bit, right?
Right. tell you to wave is lift it up, okay? Okay. Okay.
可以说话，杰森。
哎，我们现在要挥旗了，有点紧张，对，不知道会不会影响到车手的成绩。
杰森，你知道你刚刚挥旗的那个车队是什么名字？
哎，不知道，不好意思，我们等下回去再看调档案，我们来看一下。希望他今天有好成绩啊，好不好？
搞不好是冠军啊！
希望在前10名可以看到他。OK， 怒路症的人，你不用在车上也可以怒路，拿着这个就好。Okay. 来哦，5、4、3、2。啊，好啦，我们不是要去专哥坐镇的副控室，我们是要来到这次Mint 400的转播现场，这就算是他们的导播台吧。摄影镜头，来我们看这边，他们导播是决定什么时候要切什么画面，然后他们有一些 onboard 的车内镜头，来我们看到有 POV 的第一视角，然后呢，赛道周遭也有20几个固定镜头吧。他们说有3台摄影直升机跟无人机去追踪，带来一些即时画面。然后一个很有趣的是，赛道中间都会设一些虚拟的一些计时装置，那车辆每次经过这些检查点，然后又及时更新它目前这段的这个区段的成绩跟它一个赛道的总成绩。旁边还有那个随时即时监控他们的位置在哪里的地图。好，我们现在要被带来一个神秘的地方。
OK。
那这边是澳洲车手，就是知名的打卡拉力赛的冠军，但他那时候骑摩托车，那他现在是开4轮的越野车。我们旁边 Toby Chan， 那是 Toby Price， 来 ，Let's welcome Toby.
Hey guys, how are we doing? It's great to be here. We're out here at Mint 400. This is our race truck that Paul Will and myself race over here in the SCORE International Off-Road Racing Championship Series in Mexico. The truck's pretty much all prepped, ready to go. It's built by Mason Motorsports here in America. So it's an all-wheel drive truck that basically, it produces about 950 horsepower at all 4 wheels. We run a Joe Gibbs racing engine. It's based off the Toyota, like the NASCAR engines. And we're about a 7.3 litre naturally aspirated V8 engine. So we're producing quite a lot of horsepower out of a naturally aspirated motor. It's a mid-mount motor, so as you can see at the back, you can, where that like the triangled gauze is, the engine's basically right underneath there. From there, basically, we run the BF Goodrich 40-inch tyre. So as you can see, I'm 6'2". That thing comes up to my waist. Yeah, we've got a huge big diff that sits up in the front there, as you can see. There's a CV cool axle that's in right behind those shocks there, and then it comes out to the portal out here on the outside. Allows us to have more wheel travel in the truck. Get still around like a 24 and a half inches of travel just in the front. Yeah, so this one, we run an X-Track transmissions. It's a 5-speed sequential gearbox. Our top speed in this truck, we could probably get like 140 mile an hour. If you look on the steering wheel, we've got paddle shift, so it's just like your normal everyday road car. And then you've got all the Motec system, which is all here. You can see the co-driver will basically monitor majority of all the truck of what's going on. So yep, so the siren, basically the horn, we can use that function if we catch somebody. The main thing is we try and give them warning. Like, it is kind of hard to hear the horn. You hit the siren, you're on the horn, basically trying to let them know that you're behind them. If they don't move, then that's in you. And when you push and you give them a little tap on the backside with the front bumper, if they don't move after that, then we call it it's 2 toots, which is 2 toots of the horn, or 2 ton. So 2 ton is the actual race truck. So if you don't move, you're going to get hit by 2 ton. Behind this panel here, there's a big hydraulic ram that basically runs down, big foot plate here, which you can see. And then as you can see in the rim, we've got the lug nuts already glued into place. So they're ready to go. Where these exhausts come out, the engine is basically right underneath the radiators, the coolers. This is our fuel fill point. We can refuel this 108 gallons in about 25 seconds. This here, the truck at the moment, the way it sits, brand new. If you wanted to buy one off the showroom floor, it's probably just shy of $1 million US. So
$1 million US.
$1 million US.
Okay, this is Paul from Australia, a really famous rally driver. Pre-running is different from qualifying, right?
Yes, we get a map of the track.
Yes.
Okay, with all the points and everything like that we put into our GPS. In that map, there'll be a lot of places where virtual checkpoints.
Oh,
so
okay.
we've got to hit those in the race. If we don't hit them, we get a penalty, a time penalty.
Or disqualified.
Okay, but how we get from one VCP to the next VCP, we can take any route whatsoever. So that's why we go pre-running, to be able to try and find the fastest and the smoothest route. So what we do is, in pre-running, we'll go and time all these different tracks, and then we'll have a second option too. So if we're behind someone and someone's taken our line, we'll have a second option to try to get around them.
B to...
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's why we pre-run.
Okay, really learned that. Thank you, Paul.
No problem. Thank you.
Australia. 虽然我觉得在这起跑线会绿旗很棒啊，但我觉得直升机才是这次很可能这次Mint 400里面我最喜欢的部分。
Helicopter pad for the. Yeah, I gotta go that direction. Yep. Every time I come, I'm gonna be going that direction. Thank you.
好，我们现在要搭直升机，橘色的，然后上面有 BF Gurus 的字。哦 ，OK， cool。老实说，现在有点小紧张啦，人生第一次搭直升机，就要去看赛车。Let's go。然后我们在这边是在摩哈比沙漠的中央。我们距离那辆 Trophy Truck 真的是超近的，不知道大家现在看不到，两台 Trophy Truck 是要进行 battle 了吗？另外一台大概只有距离不到1-2秒左右，而且他们你有没有发现沙漠赛道好玩是，他们两个取的路线几乎完全不一样，就是很有波浪。然后295号已经超越了。Householder， 我们现在要怎么来从这个？我们要从这个后台喽，来了！好的，经过6个小时多的奋战啊，超过大概640公里的，这是2024 Mint 400的冠军 Adam Householder。这本届的新科冠军，然后马上会直接跟我们昨天看到那样，直接开上颁奖台。哇，现在应该所有全场Mint 400观众都聚集在这边。
Everybody tell Adam hurrah!
冠军爱喷香槟啊！刚 Adam 受访的时候也说，他接下来这辈子应该不会再换其他轮胎了，因为他已经有最好的。
BFGs, of course. You know, like I don't want another tire underneath me. Like, have the confidence. That's one last thing I was even worried about.
我相信应该是在拿到支票前说的这句话比较有说服力啦。那总之呢 ，BF Gurus 的性能表现已经在整个Mint 400的残酷考验给证实。赛车运动好像不只是个人的喜好，更可以是一个家族活动。感谢 BF Gurus 邀请啊，希望我们下次再见哦。然后这是 Charlie， 然后他是韩国知名赛车手，然后他也是帮 Hyundai Motorsport 跑纽柏林耐久赛。对，今天很开心邀请他。Hi Charlie. So I know you as a professional circuit racer. You race in Nürburgring, right? So I think this race car and this kind of a truck is very huge different. What do you think about that?
I think it's more than different. It's a whole different world. It's different from track racing, and it's even different from conventional rally stages, you know, because one lap here is 100 miles.
Yeah.
I think it's the longest lap in the world. It's 8 times longer than the Nürburgring Nordschleife. Every lap, the condition of the surface is going worse and worse, you know. Driving on this kind of off-road, you know, you need to create the grip in the dust. And you need to dig the tire into the ground to make more grip. So sometimes more slack makes more grip. But on the tarmac, it doesn't happen. So it's very difficult. So I was not able to catch that feeling properly on off-road. So I prefer to stay in on-road.
What impressed you the most in this Mint 400?
I think the drivers and all the teams who participating in this Mint 400, I think they are all heroes. I think this is more difficult than all the track racing, even F1 racing. It's in an F1 circuit they can go like 320 kilometers per hour on straight tarmac, but these guys, they go like 250, 260 on this dusty, rocky road.
And very bumpy, right?
Yeah, and sometimes they're flying. It's so the stress that they get, the stress that the machine gets, it's a totally different level.
You still want to be the audience, or you want to be a racer?
Yeah, you know what? In fact, today's race made me to think about, challenging this Mint 400 someday in my life. The view from the helicopter, I could see how this course looked like,
Yes,
I could get some feeling.
Okay.
And maybe I can train a little bit hard. Maybe I can do it someday.
Okay.
So I'm really looking forward to participate the Mint 400.
That is the start-finish line.
Okay.
Okay, that's the podium for where the winners come in.
Taiwan,
This is our announcer, TPQ. He is the best motorsports announcer in the world.
Do you want to get up on the stage and get your picture taken?
Of course.
Yes.
He's in charge of everything, this guy.
OK， 现在杰森要上颁奖台了。
Cool.
Very cool
Isn't that
today.
great?
Oh, that's for the finisher.
That's for the finisher. That's right.
Okay.
And on the back, it says respect is earned 1 mile at a time.
OK， the winner is Jason from Taiwan.
Oh, thanks to my father and mother. Thanks to my parents and my sponsor. We are with be a good race this time. Thanks for the invitation. It's time for TPQ.
TPQ, yeah.
TPQ.
That's what we did. And that's what you did. You did an awesome.
Adam, can you help me to sign on this? Yeah, we are from Taiwan and first time to Mint 400. And
What do you think of it?
really cool and
Incredible.
incredible. Never experienced that before.
这场机线从电视荧幕飙上官网了。全球第一手车市报道，年底 Toyota 的全球
速力道，我们现在试驾就
满足你对车的所有想象。
7号旋转你也看不到它。
踩下油门，地床机线邀您一起上线。